Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to do a first look of the Wyze V3. This is an indoor-outdoor camera. And what's really interesting about this is both indoors and outdoors. To give you a comparison, this is the V2 camera. This is what everyone's been buying. And it is indoor only, and it powers up with USB. This is the outdoor camera, which we've already reviewed. And this camera only runs on battery, and it's pretty big and bulky. And then we have the V3. Now, it is indoor-outdoor, which is nice, so it does both those functions. It has two features we think are interesting here. One is two-way audio, which means we can both talk at the same time. And the other thing it has is color night vision. That means if it's in very low light, this will still show a color image on the screen. So we're going to do a full review, so stay tuned. And thank you for watching the first look of the Wyze V3.